All right. What's up? Good morning, yo. October 1st. Yesterday was crazy at the end of the day. Did you see that? Oh my God. I hope you hit some of that. I hope you hit some of that. I hit some of that. I definitely got some of that. You know I got some of that. But today is 10:21. We're looking at the SPY. Today we have data at 9:45, 10 a.m. I forgot what those data points are, but I'll look them up in a second. We're going to see them. We're going to go through them anyway. Pre-market, we hit a high of 663.95. We hit a low of 660. It's crazy that they did that because we went from 666.18, we closed, and then we dropped all the way to 660. That was crazy. It's criminal. They brought it up $3 so far. So I think today we're going to retest these levels today. Um, so we don't have anything for our higher low yet. We don't know our open or close. We do have different watch contracts today. I'm watching some SPY, QQQ, and IWM for SPY. We're looking at 666 contracts. I'm sorry, calls. 667 and 68 calls. For the other side, the put to 660, 59s, and 58s. They're going to fluctuate all throughout the day. QQQ, we're looking for the high 602. So we have a range with the 603, 604 contracts. For the downside, we're looking for the low of, I think, like yesterday. So in that range. So we're looking at the 594 puts, 593 puts, 592 puts. IWM, IWM was nasty all day yesterday. So I'm gonna open up my scope to the other ETFs too. Because sometimes SPY might be closed. Slow, or something might be happening somewhere else. So I don't want to limit my options. I want to be as fluid as possible. So I'm opening up to SPY and IWM. I'm definitely gonna take a look at that. I don't know if I'm gonna put it up there, but or SPY slash ETFs or something. I don't know. I'll think of a different heading. But here go the notes from yesterday, 9:30. It was crazy yesterday. That's when I started looking at some QQQ and IWM. Our close. It's not our close. That was not our close. I probably got the numbers somewhere mixed up. Open. Yeah. How did that change? Okay, but here we go. This was our range yesterday. We had a $4 range yesterday. Today, pre-market, we doubled that. So I think we're going to see some movements today. We're going to open up at this level. We might go down. We might go to fill the gap. Gap and go. There is a big gambit of things that could happen. How much can I close this? Okay, so that really doesn't matter too much. We have 9:45 data. So let me put this up. We know 9:45 data, and then we also have 10 a.m. data. All right. We wanna. I'm gonna put some other notes on here too. Like we want to watch our timestamps too. We want to. I already got it. Nice. Um. Now the data. I don't know exactly how I want to because we're gonna have pivots. Hmm. We're gonna have our pivots. How can I really put our pivots on here? I want maybe somewhere around here, but that's going to be kind of hard to keep going NAN. So let's do maybe like time release or something. All right, time watch. So we want to keep a look at the 10 a.m. structure because we have 10:30. These are all structures. 11, 11:30. Um, do you have data later on? You see, because the way that they release the news and everything is very, the charts are going to chart, but they release the news to make that like add up. So there's different fluctuations within the day that happens that I want to watch. I don't know what I'm really going to do with this information, but this is still pivotal information to watch and pay attention to. So I think I kind of want to take a look at that and pay attention to that. We have our SPY here, QQQ, IWM. We're gonna keep the UVIX up here. I guess we really don't need the VIX. And I also got the bigger charts up here with the MACD, a little bit more signals. I don't know if I'm gonna put the Bollinger Band on there yet, but we're gonna probably start messing around with that Bollinger Band a little bit. They put RSI down low. Here's our volume. So they're all gonna be their own. Okay. I don't think we need that. Hi. Good morning again, by the way. No, we don't want SPY. Well, actually, I don't think that matters because it's whatever chart you're looking at that's going to become the dominant chart. All right. We can go higher time frame though. We can go 5 there, and this is overnight, right? Yeah. No. Here go overnight right here. All right. Yeah. 9:30. 9:30. This is right. 10. Here we go. Yeah. This is overnight right here. This is UVIX. I'm like, what the? Okay. Okay. I'm like, make this make sense. There we go. I'm like, what the fuck? Here go to overnight right here. Wait, no, this is our, yeah. 1, 2. What time is it? 26. Let's get ready for this. Actually, they're all going to come in low. You're gonna come in high. All right. All right. All right. Let's get ready for the day. Let's continue to get ready for the day at least. So we have our notes up. It's not. I suggest you play some music or something. You know, it gets really quiet. Nothing really goes on. Sometimes I might blow the horn if I hit like a big contract, a huge contract. But other than that, you know, strike top is 667. We're at 633. That's $4. That's a big fucking swing right there, boy. We're up in 3 minutes. Let's see what other news channels we can bring out. Make sure this looks good. That looks good. I guess we don't need the notes up right now. What are you talking about? Alright. I have my levels and everything picked out. Now we gotta just, just knock them out. Boom, boom, boom. I got all my ranges. So I don't want to touch these. I'm just gonna keep all these right here. I'm not gonna touch those. I'm gonna keep those right there. The first couple minutes, I don't think I'm gonna really do too much. This thing is gonna gap fill immediately. Maybe. I don't know, but I'm just gonna keep an eye out. All right, there's what we're looking at. We have 2 minutes. So we're gonna be $3 below. Every morning I get nervous as fuck, man. We are open. Those contracts are extremely low. We're hitting lower. We're hitting lower for now. All right, we got the Spidey QQQ. All of them just straight up going crazy. All those puts, calls, everything's in the water big time. But we're gonna break. What is this? Mm-mm. Those calls are starting to wake up. IWM calls are awake. They only awake a little bit. Awake is awake. All right, UVIX dropping. So what's looking to fill the gap first? It looks like a race. IWM is winning. We're closing that gap. What is this nugget? Oh, this is the gold joint. Whoa. That's a 210. I think I found something. I think I found something. Oh shit. I can't touch those. All right, those are 85%. Those just jumped to 50%. That's good. I I have some QQQs. I have the QQQs, the IWMs, the spies. They're up a lot right now. I'm just gonna let them just simmer. And QQQ is changing up. Oh, is that because Tesla just took a dump? All right, we're getting some chop right now in the Qs. Big chop right here in the Qs. Those green bars just came back in. The UVIX. All right, so they're going they're running inversely to the UVIX. IWM selling. So IWM filled the gap. All right. Did we project at 9:45? That's not in our time lot. We had an event at 9:45. I forgot what data that was. And this was I think I found something. Sheesh. Sheesh. I think I'm okay with this buy. All right, got it. I think I found something. I think I found something, bro. Oh my god. When is this? So it just started going off this late. Definitely late. Sick. Oh, but it did do this. I think I found something. Ooh. Whoa. What's going on? I think I found a nugget. What the hell was that? Real. I think I want to wait for the 10 a.m. announcement. All right, we made some ducats. Let's wait because this is nuts. I'm just going to hold this because this is breaking out. NUGT, Daily Gold Miners Index. It's been going insane. So far this week is up 10%. This past month it's up 43%, up $48. I should have gotten the contract. You know what? I'm gonna roll that out. I'm gonna get 3 months out is 100%. 3 month out contract. December. Damn. These December contracts are fucking six hundo for the cheapest. Six hundo, but look at that spread. That spread is so wide. That's that's disgusting. That's disgusting. How much are these leaps? 3,500 for these leaps. Damn. Hmm. Where's IWM? IWM's right there. All right, we got those beak butters. I think I entered something small again. All right, we're just gonna wait. We got some more powder. We're gonna wait. You know what? I might go take a nap. Just set it, forget it. Instead of dealing with all this chop and slop that we're gonna deal with all day. Because we know what this fucking market's gonna do. We still have gaps to fill. IWM. They're not gonna make it easy at all. All right, 10 a.m. All right. We're gonna see if we're gonna drop on the data or here's the data. All right, we got wicks. We got wicks. Which way we gonna go? Up or down? I'm listening to the data right now. I should have put that up. I didn't know it was even gonna come up. All right, looks like we're breaking out to the up. House Speaker Johnson about shutdown. It's 10:06 right now. I'm listening to the house speaker right now. Excuse me. it's 10:10. So we're moving into a market structure right now. IWM, they're jerking. Ooh, where is it? We open at 66320. 66307. All right, so far we got our lower today. We open now. That you're gonna switch. All right, so we're looking to fill this gap. We're trying to fill this gap as well. This gap is has filled, but we're just he's at opening print right now. So we're gonna look at what this guy does. All-time highs for IWM is 247.16. So we got some meat on the bone. 16. I'm 16. What the fuck? Why did I say 16? $6. That's the switcheroo. Let me get this news up here, man. Where's Bloomberg? No, I don't want to see them talk. House Speaker, maybe, but not like anyone else over there. All right. Cool. We got a little red candle right there. They're not going to make it easy. They're not going to make it easy. All right, no news. Sorry. So SPY is down 0.2%. There's a possibility that it can go like point plus point like 2.3. You know. So they're looking to reopen. So they said that they're going to send the of a revised bill to the Democrats to see if they're going to accept it, and that's going to probably we got to see where that goes. So it looks like IWM has to wait for SPY in QQQ because every time it went to break opening print and print higher, it jerked. And now SPY and QQQ is moving. So now they're like, all right, you can move with us now. Why you little brother? Why you little broing them? All right, calls golden here. They always seem to say this. Trump changing ADP data release to once a year release. Oh God, I'm reading stock twits. I'm going to trick the algos by setting a limit buy for 660, and then I will cancel it last minute. Wish me luck. Correction will come soon enough. Give it 2 weeks. If not, I'm rolling. All right, we're moving. So let's see where this puppy can go. Let's see where this puppy can go. All right, come on. So now, UVXY is gonna fill the gap before the other two, but IWM filled the gap first before the other two. Okay, so now they're letting IWM breathe. We are looking for 665. What was our high yesterday? Does anyone know the high of day yesterday? Hey Siri, what was SPY's high and low of yesterday? Give me fucking numbers. What the fuck? Yo, you see, if I ask Chat GPT, you gonna be mad. You're gonna be real mad when Chat GPT just straight up tell me when I fucking ask. Like, what the fuck? Like I don't want to go nowhere else. Like just give me like the question. Like I'm trying not to curse on my stream, but like, do you hear her? Like, like why are you being so difficult? I just can't speak. I have to type it. Okay, whatever. Boom. Thank you. Low 660.95. What if this is wrong? Um, high 665.50. All right, so this was yesterday, 65.50. You see pre-market. So it hit its pre-market target yesterday. Let's open this up just so I don't delete anything by mistake. All right, but we're looking for yesterday's high. But we're reaching for all-time highs. Damn, Bitcoin is going crazy. What's going on, IWM? What's going on, buddy? So they won't let IWM go until everything else goes, it seems. Where is here's the MACD and the 15. We got a little bit to go. 666. And we're at 655. Oh, wow. NVIDIA. Let me take a look at NVIDIA. Just something happening with NVIDIA. Damn, I'm late to that party. Damn, I'm late to that mother body. All that premium is hidden. All that hidden premium. I will get next week's. We got a little bit more to go. Where's our gap? Did we fill this gap? Did we fill this gap? So what time was this? This was 9:50. So this was the drop. That was the drop. Technically, it was 9:50. Technically, it was 9:50. That was when we hit a market structure change. 10:30. Yep, this could be a bull trap, a bear trap. Did it reject? Hmm. We got a big change in market structure. How do I? Why am I blind? I can't find NVDA. NVIDIA. Where's NVIDIA? Wow, bro, really? Wow, I didn't have NVIDIA. High. Oh, this is all-time high. Holy sheesh. This is all-time high. That's a rejection. Let me find a charger. Oh! Ooh, let me go to the bathroom. Ugh. Uh, yo, they so. I gotta watch the rest of this. The market is doing its market thing. They were a bunch of cornballs. How they gonna pop their balloon, give him back? Yo, this dude's a fucking. Come on, man. What's going on in the markets, man? I'm sorry. I had to finish that. All right, let's check out these MACDs on these different time frames. Five. Excuse me, 1 5 15. We're going back from the. We're green for the last. All right, but somewhere in this 15 minutes, in this 30 minutes. This is all. This is us right here. This is us right here. And this is still. All right. So we want to see the MACD line above the signal line. We actually want these to spread out. These are starting to come together right now. What time is it? Look at market structures. 10:57. It's 10:57. We want these to to diverge. The 4. I'm not that good at the 4. It's not 12 yet. All right, so in the 15, we were a little bit bearish. I guess that was our. All right, here we go. I think this is open and print right here. Why does the volume on the contract keep going up, but the open interest stays the same? What is that telling me? All right, let's ask ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT. All right, the question: why does the volume on the contract keep going up, but the volume, but the open interest stays the same? Maybe people are buying more contracts. Did activity open interest? Volume is the total number of contracts traded during the day. Open interest, total number of outstanding contracts still open. High volume but flat OI. Lots of short-term trading, scalping, hedging, or day trading, but no real build-up for long-term positions. Damn! 0 days. Rising OI, new money flowing in. Building conviction, falling OI. Traders are exiting positions, unwinding. Why does the volume on opening keeps going up? And that's why the volume of the contracts keep going up. Simply terms, volume equals activity, open interest equals commitment. So if volume is high but OI isn't moving, it's just churn. Contracts are being flipped, not held. The question again: why does the volume on a contract keep going up, but the open interest stays the same? Because the open interest, they're the open contracts, and the volume keeps going up because people keep buying and selling, trading those contracts. There's activity going on with those contracts. Yeah, volume equals activity, open interest equals commitment because they're opening and holding them. So can we maybe so now that we have that order book? Oh, you gotta be what a Oh, okay. So no order book. Maybe options. Maybe we can see some flow. No, that's specific. We have our strike. If we call bid as where is our out of the money? Okay, so those are the okay. All right. So I learned how to do that. All right. I never really looked at that before here. What other widget can we look at? Yeah, they're not going to give us that, I guess. Ah, okay, I get it. Maybe. Wait, did I try order book? I tried order book. Did I not try order book? Let's try order book. Yep. Ah, no order book. Taka taka dee taka dee taka dee doo dee 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 tak tak taka taka tak 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 taka taka tak. Ah, taka tak 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 tak. Tick, 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 tick. All right, so you gotta pay for the information. Fuck. Okay, we gotta get the information. Ah, that's big information right there. No, maka paka pa, paka paka pee, paka paka poopy, poop poopy. What happened here? Paka paka pa, paka paka pee, piki piki pee, 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 poo. Okay. All right, so we're going for. All right, we're going for all-time highs right now. We're gonna probably bust through those things. We're gonna just let that thing keep going retailing. Retail bears are the worst traders in history. Yes. All right. Oh, we don't want to see big wicks. We don't want to see wicks. This is a hammer candle. I don't know. Is this, I mean, a shooting star? Is this really a shooting star with that little wick right there? Or is it just a long wick for it to be a shooting star or a hammer? Because if that's the case, that's really bullish right there. You see, this is too fat. This is too fat, and that's too much wick right there. Somebody said leaving runners. Damn. When did he buy this? He bought this at 66608. He bought this at 66608. When did he buy this? Oh, that's the break even. Oh no, that's the current price. So when did he post this? He posted that now. When did you buy this? But at 5, that's crazy. He paid $110. And right now alone, he was up $105. He already damn near doubled it. NVDA is hitting all-time high, I hear. No, it's not going to be up there. Where is it? Where is it? Boom. NVIDIA. That's the 5. They go to 1. All right, so we already tapped it. You're doing something crazy. But you got to buy shares right there. I would say I would just put money into that. I would definitely just put money into Nugget right there. Alright. Aspire, we don't want to see that. What is this? This is yesterday, yeah. Yeah, you see, this is yesterday. This is where we're trying to get right there. This is where we're trying to get to, right over there. We're at 666. Oh, wow. We're almost there. Wow. You see, super bullish. Super bullish. Super duper bullish. When did we get a structure move? No, that was at 950. So 950 was our low. 950 was our 9 structure low. This was the run up. That was the run up. High. We're still pushing highs. Our low of the day, 1607. All right, we're running. We're still going. All right. So, and we also learned something new too. With volume, open interest, and what that means with the contracts and everything. So we got to get that level 2 data. That level 2 data really helped. What the fuck? That can't be real. Someone bought 2,000 plus contracts on Mara, up 42% over 100K. That's insane. You see, there's pockets. I don't think I would have put all that into that pocket. That's crazy. I mean, unless that was insider trading or something. Because I wouldn't put it right right there. Because if it fall, who knows the next time it's going to go up? Spy on like an uptrend. Okay, it's like, all right, you can risk money right there because it's like you just got to wait and the money's going to go back up. Like on the individual stock, nah. I made a big trade on Target a few years ago, and it hurt. It hurt. What is everything doing? Because I'm just looking there. All right, so QQQ is still. Ew. What happened here? Whoa. NVDA. Spy following. What the hell was that about? The fuck? Ooh. Well, they're not going to make it easy. They have all day to. They have all day. They just can't let it run. Just when we thought we were going to get clear sales, they throw a fucking brick. Yeah, it's going to be some chop. All right, let's see what they do on these cues. All right, so I got the NVDA. Okay. All right, we ate up some of the market. I think pre-market or leading into, we were down like 0.2% or 0.12% or something like that. I think we're down. What did it say? 0.02% right now. So we definitely ate up a lot from the lows. Yes, one of those days. No such thing as a pullback. We bounced off 15-minute reopening range. Out calls now. Teeny profit looking for put entries. Well, we're gonna rock. I mean, the market's definitely going to do what the market does. We can just try and like be like kind of prepared for like what's happening. I mean, I don't get things right all the time, even half the time. Wait, what? I don't want this. Get rid of this. And get that there. Here's the heat map of what's going on. I used to know the sectors, but these are all sectors. Here you go, right here. Technology sector. That's the quad. A consumer silical. What the hell is playing in my ear? All right, here's features right there. You want to hear some ish talking? look at all these advertisements. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I was like, why is this in my ear? Okay, so this is what this is. He's talking about jobs. Okay, all right. So this is this tab. I'm like, hot damn. I guess I can add. Baby girl. Oh, Democrats hold news conference on shutdown. No, I'm gonna look for something else. They said Trump is speaking somewhere. No. IWM is looking really weak. Like really weak. Live Fox now. This was earlier today. No, I thought that was live. That wasn't live. Oh. All right. All right. I think I'm gonna start heading off. All right, we're hitting the lull hours right now. It's gonna be boring for a little bit, and then we're gonna start picking up some speed, maybe around like 1 or something. Gap is filled. Now it's kind of looking weak. Thank you all for allowing me to get out of my calls again. Got puts here. Bring it back down to 664. Who decided to have this guy speak on CNBC? Yeah, I was gonna watch the CNBC too, but I was like, nah, that was looking kind of boring. Shooting. All right. I guess I can wait another half an hour. What's a half an hour? What the hell? Did I want to do that? Oh, I think I did want to do that. Shoot. Oh, today is first day of Q4. We're in the fourth quarter. We're in the fourth quarter. We can turn you off. We're going to keep you up. We're going to keep you up. One time been up. And behind that. Mm. Mm. If somebody was in here with me, I'd be chatting and shit, but no one in here. Yo, is that pregnant? They're high end, and she got some. Yo, I think Stat is pregnant. Yo, I think Stat's pregnant. Oh, Discord. What are they talking about on Discord? I sent them that message. Thinks it makes sense in a way. Not sure what it means. What happens when there's more calls than puts being sold? All right. Did we hit a higher day? Yeah. Yeah. Micron. If you're in here, we're just our contracts are making money. We're making money. I'm holding my spy calls. It I, I'm I'm not getting rid of them. What's happening right now? It seems like people are selling out their calls, and that's pushing up that's pushing up the SPY too. I mean, they're selling their puts, but I'm not getting rid of them. We've seen this before. Get out open quick scalp. It's a Discord. We're doing well. We're doing really well. All-time high is 667.34. All right, we hit high of day. This is new high of day. This is new high of day. We got to break 667. 667. So right now, these guys are making money. These guys are making money, big money. These are doing okay. I'm pretty sure they're all doing fantastic. All right, so those calls, these guys are reading up 15%. This is reading plus 33. You could have got this for $1. These are, so that's my money right there. What is this doing? This. So the 668s are killing it, actually. The 668s are killing it. Well, they're all killing it, but the 668s are really good. The 668s. All right, so if we go for all-time high, it's 66.34. So we can hit, they can bust through it. If they bust through that wall, we can hit 670 today. If we hit 670, that would be some real money. That would be real money. This would have to break through all-time highs. So the number I would need to hit today to hit a nut is 668. If we see 668, I hit a nut. If we hit 668, that's my money. That's my real money. There's money over here, but not like that other money. What are you doing? What are your all-time highs? 602. And 1021. So now it's just showing that 668 is down. So this is up from when I took a look at it. If you could have waited, oh my God, if I would have waited just a little, if I would have waited to that market structure, you could have got this thing at 36 bucks. It's at 148 right now. That is not the real price. You see, they hide the prices so much. Those are fake prices. Those are not real prices. You know, when you look at the contracts, you're going to see a big negative, even when you mark them. You know, they're eating through that whole negative. So when you see negative 60, 70%, okay, okay. At the end of the day, that thing is up 30%. That's 100 some percent, you know, but it went up way more than that. This is profit taking right here. This is profit taking. Because that means if that goes, then those are going to go too. Yeah, that was profit taken right there. All right. All right, so we sold and we made a yeah, we made a lot of money right there. Take that. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take that all day, all fucking day. Now, I mean, there's a chance that but I mean, it's still so early. We still have so much to go, so much to go. But you know what? I took the sweat off, but I still got money rolling in. Yeah, I'm not letting those go. What's happened? See, I've never really played IWM before. What is going on with IWM? IWM is moving. I don't like this. I don't like that at all. So maybe it's just a 0 days, no 0 days? Because this thing moved a lot. 13, 15, 15, 14. So if you want to do anything but IVM, you have to go that far out. Ew, 2, 4, 5. You have to go 5 out. Is that worth it? No. Well, I mean, it ate through that. It ate through a lot of that. That's a lot of price action. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. That's a 103. I don't like these contracts. I'm taking IWM off the list. Ugh, I don't like that. All right, 1030 structure. What happened at 1030? 1111. What happened at 1030? All right, nothing happened at 1030. All right, but today we had our data at 10 a.m. and this was data. So you definitely want to wait for data. So whenever there's a data day, just wait for the data. Well, hold on. All right, so I locked in a hell of a lot of profit right there. Hell of a lot of profit. These are turning a little bit. I mean, it would have to turn like a lot, but I mean, let's not jinx it. We sold those for a good price, right? How much we sell those for? Okay, good. Good. All right, so we sold those at a good price. Don't do market. Fuck that market shit. These these would be able to roll, but they gotta because one, you can go for dollar. That would be able to go for a little bit more. All right, so okay, so that can turn into some money. Okay, that could turn into some money. With the rate we are going, we can hit 60. I think we can probably hit fucking. I think 670 is on the table. We're definitely gonna hit 670 aftermarket. We're definitely gonna hit 670 aftermarket. And I got these really cheap too. I got them at that price. Yeah, bought some of them at 11. Yeah, my average cost, yeah, 11. Okay. All right, so that's no longer the big money shot. That was the money shot. No, technically, that is still the money shot because if we go up that $1, oh, but you know what? But having that weight, I had weight, and I should have just traded my plan. I didn't trade my plan because I just wanted to take that fucking monkey off my back. But now we know. Like, definitely when it comes to data, the only thing you want to do on data days is just wait for the data. Wait for that pivot. Like the way they time release these are just insane. You pay attention to that market structure, because the market structure is going to change. And sometimes it's up to that data point. So that's why you really got to know the data points. And then you clinch down on them. That's why that whole time watch, I'm gonna start doing that. I'm gonna start adding that to the notes, because that's really big. That's huge. That's huge. That's an outlier right there. And it's all about the outliers. It's about the things that just I just gotta wait for the data days. That's it. Because there's a lot of people. There's a lot of people throwing money around. Just throwing. All right. All right. Well, I'm gonna get off right now. Good luck. Good luck in the rest of your trading. Happy I like the net profit. Yeah, I got that off my back. Now I can just fucking just like chill and just roll into some more money. All right, I'm out of here. I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early, 9:15. Have a good day. Have a good trade. Take profits. Peace.